Hello, and welcome to Department of Labor's Fleet Management Information System, AUTOS. So, many of you are familiar with how to enter in your monthly odometer reading. However, there is an additional crucial element that you will need to input moving forward. So, to begin, first you'll need to click on the odometer. This is where you go and you enter in your monthly ending odometer for each month of that fiscal year. It is crucial that we get this information for agency-owned vehicles because we do not have a data source for it. As you can see here, we've made a number of improvements to make it easier for the user, such as ownership filter. You can have an ownership filter here, either by all or agency owned. That will take you to all your agency owned vehicles. You can also do it by center or by contact, by vehicle. So any of those vehicles that you see under your purview, you're going to want to enter in that monthly odometer reading and also go here to the fuel and operating cost. Once you click on that fuel icon, you're going to see a table that looks just like this, and then you're going to enter in the edit button. That's going to take you to that specific month for you to enter in the ending fuel cost, maintenance cost, and accident cost. Again, it's crucial that we get this information before the end of the year for our fast reporting that is mandated by Department of Energy. So again, we're going to go here to our vehicle, make sure that we're looking at the vehicle information, click on the fuel icon for the vehicle we want to choose, pick the month that we're going to enter, and it is very important that we get this on a monthly basis. So ensuring that for December, we have that total fuel cost, maintenance cost, and accident cost. You can also enter in any notes. Maybe this vehicle was not driven, and you can put in a note for why this vehicle wasn't driven. Maybe it was in the shop or something like that. Then we would need that information as well. So that completes the tutorial on how to add the operational cost for agency-owned vehicles. Please contact support@netdigitalsolutions.com if you have any questions or concerns about how to enter this in.